I want to show you this $210 eBay exhaust system I got. It's supposed to be a 4-inch turbo back. It's obviously not 4 inches at the very start here where it tapers down. I think it goes down to a factory 3-inch. I can't remember what the factory size is, but I'm pretty sure it's 3-inch anyway. Let me know in the comments, but let's go look at the rear end here. So what this is a slip-on kit where the parts slip together. So it's like you're supposed to put these clamps on and clamp it together. I bought that kit because it was, one, incredibly cheap, and two, I figured, well, when it shows up, I'll just weld it. I'm not really interested in having clamps holding my whole exhaust together, but for the price and the way it was set up, I figured, hell, that's perfect. Now, no, I didn't do very clean work at all. I apologize. But the reason is I'm just a purposeful guy. I don't really care about the looks. It's under the truck. And so what I did, by the way, is I lined all these tubes up. I think there was 5 in total. And then I lined them all up, but you can see that it's like 4 inches of overlap here. So what I did is I markered it across where I was happy, and then I just markered across, markered around, because they will wobble a little tiny bit. So make sure if you're gonna do something like this, you mark it out really well when you're happy. Tape it together to hold it temporarily or whatever you gotta do. I welded the entire thing on the ground, and so I had to remove quite a bit of stuff to do that, but I guess if you're ballsy, you could probably do it in here. Just don't burn your truck to the ground. Has good clearance to it. Clearance came out pretty nice. I like it. There's the outtake. So the reason it looks this way, by the way, is I actually did clean it up after I welded it, but then I did some new welds, because what I did is I did a smoke bomb test on it. So I didn't weld on the ends. All I did was stuffed a rag in there and then wrapped it with like a stretch wrap until I was confident it was airtight. And then I dropped a smoke bomb in it and then taped it up. And so these circled areas, that's what that is. When I was doing the smoke bomb test, smoke was coming out of these little tiny areas. And so I went back and welded. It's almost impossible to get everything the first time, but I know it's airtight because I've gone back and smoke bombed it again. So I like it for 210 bucks and some sweat equity. I think it took me maybe a little over half a day, something like that. Not too bad. Let me know what you think in the comments.